Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to fill out a check from Chase Bank. First, you start by entering a date following this format or this format. After that, in this place, you should write the receiver full name or the company full name. And if you have some white space, you should draw a line to avoid writing something else after you. Next, in this field, you should enter the amount you're gonna send and try to occupy all the place to avoid writing something else after you. If you are going to send some cents, you should divide it by 100. So you should write it like this exactly. After that, in this place, you should write the amount you're gonna send in letters. And if you have some white space, you can always draw a line to avoid writing something else before you, after you. Next, in this place, you can write some note or something for you or for the company. Or the receiver who gonna get this check. And finally, you're gonna sign in this place. And yeah, you have filled successfully the check from the Chase Bank. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.